Hello and welcome to our channel. Again, today we have a Nissan Qashqai 2011 and we are going to check the battery status because when you cranking the engine by starter motor, the engine is cranked by starter motor very slowly. So today we are going to check the battery status. So as you can see, this battery is 80D23L and I think that could be Bosch or Bosch brand. So as you can see, current voltage of the battery is 12.77 or open circuit voltage or open voltage reading is 12.77. so we are going to enter that and we are going to select that the battery is in vehicle test, then test. Okay, so we are going to select here EFB, enhanced flooded battery, which is this is going to be, and we are going to enter. And the cooled cranking amp rate is 560, and now you are going to press the enter and see. Okay, as you can see, it says replace the battery in blue writing, and also as you can see, health of battery is 5% and the charge status is 100%, and internal resistance, which is very important, it's 23.31 mega ohm, which is very high, and also rated 560 amp, so cool cranking hour. So this is one type of test that we have done. In spite of that this vehicle has just come in and the engine is warm. Approximately the engine temperature is at its operating temperature, it's above 80 degrees. So this is one test that we have done, and it showed that the battery is failed. Now I'm going to perform another test that you might do that yourself with the simple digital voltmeter. Okay, I'm going to turn the voltmeter on. As you can see, I have turned the voltmeter on, and the battery voltage is shown here 12.7. as you can see. Now it's better. So now I'm going to select the max and minimum selection. So as you can see, I have selected the minimum option. So a good battery at 15 degrees of Celsius ambient temperature should spin the engine for 30 seconds while at the same time maintaining 9.6 volt. So the voltage of the battery should not drop below 9.6 volt at 15 degrees of Celsius of the ambient temperature while spinning for 30 seconds the engine by the starter motor. So now we are going to perform this test. So now everything is off and the battery open circuit voltage is 12.78. Now I'm going to turn the ignition on first, then start the engine by starter motor, and you see the voltage drops, so that when I'm cranking the engine by starter motor and see that how much voltage is available, or the battery, how much voltage the battery has to push the current to spin the engine by starter motor. Okay, now ignition is on, and now I'm going to crank the engine. Okay, as you can see, even that took 3 to 5 seconds and the voltage drops to 6.51, which is not acceptable, and that voltage should not drop below 9.6 volt. So this battery is bad, that has to be replaced. Thanks for watching.